Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Sew with Oladuni. In this video, I'll be showing you how I made this basket with Yoke. So if you're interested, keep on watching and let's get started. So guys, to make this yoke pattern, you will need paper, pen, ruler and scissors. This is the yoke pattern I'll be using to make the basket with yoke. I already drafted it. So I'll be cutting out the neckline. It's just a normal round neck. For the neck width, I am using 3.5 inches, and for the neck depth, I am using 4 inches. You can see it's just a normal round neck. So this is it after cutting out the neckline. This is how it looks. Next is to draw out lines that will be the guidelines for making the basket with yoke. I will draw the lines using 1.5 inches interval. The line will be slant. I will be using my ruler to draw out the lines using the 1.5 inch mark on my ruler as the guide. Then you start drawing out the lines like so. Then I will do the same on the opposite direction. That's on the opposite side. Guys. So this is how it looks after drawing the line. You can see the squares are evenly drawn. Next is to cut out the fabric I'll be using for the yoke. The fabric will be 1.5 inches wide and the length will be as much as what will be enough for the project. Then I will take it to the sewing machine to sew with 1/4 of an inch on the wrong side of the fabric. This is it after sewing it. I will turn it out and iron it. And this is it after ironing. Next is to sew them on the yoke pattern. So I'll be placing the fabric on the line and sew it down like so. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Now I'm done with one part. I will do the same for the opposite. So guys, this is it after finishing it. Next is to tape the neckline, the armhole and the down part of the yoke. So guys, this is it after taping the neckline, the armhole and the down part of the yoke. Then I'll be removing the waste paper to see how it looks. This is it after removing the paper. This is the finished look. You can also add rhinestone to it. This is it after adding rhinestone. So we have come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more sewing tutorials. And also leave a comment. See you in my next video. Bye.